So normally this one, how many km they run?
Maybe up to 4 km.
4 km?
4 km already.
It's not enough for a cheese naan. Then how?
Huh?
Cheese naan needs minimum 6 kilometers, right?
Only can eat this naan.
Cannot eat a chicken with the cheese naan.
No, 5 km eat roti canai kosong.
Canai kosong.
You have to run 6 km.
Oh yeah. Then so heartbreaking. What if I eat a chicken with it? Then how? It's gonna increase more.
You already eat the chicken?
Huh?
Are you already chicken? Oh no, you have 10 km.
10 km to chicken. Okay. Tired already. This is Borneo International School. You have to take U-turn there and then go all the way this way.